Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to update firmware on DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Let's begin! So, I will split this video in two halves. First of all, we can update firmware on our camera, and then we can update firmware on our application. I will start with the application because it's very fast. You want to go into application, DJI Momo. If you don't know how to connect to that, we have a full tutorial on how to connect your application with your camera. But anyway, you want to head into your profile in the bottom right corner, then go into settings. As you can see, by default you have auto firmware download via Wi-Fi automatically on, so whenever there is a new firmware waiting, you should see a little prompt and it should automatically install itself. But if it doesn't, we can always go all the way down, and at the very bottom we have check for firmware updates, and I'm currently being prompted that we have the newest version. And if you want to know that version, you can also go with check for latest app version. So as you can see, our application is also new, and the firmware update for our camera is also new. I believe that you should be able to also do that on the camera itself by going here and let's see the settings. So let's scroll down a little. We have things like wireless connection, but we are looking for something else. Well, unfortunately, it doesn't seem that we have the ability to update the camera via the camera itself, only by the application. But if you count that, we could go into factory reset like that, and then it would automatically go into factory settings, and then it should be able to update itself because it would be missing all the updates, so it would try to gain new updates. We also have device name, and as you can see, we have the firmware version. So if you want to, you can try to go into the web and try to search for newest firmware version, but I'm going to believe my application here and indeed say that, well, it looks like we have newest version installed. And yeah, that's actually all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!